Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to move in a sideways range, so it's pretty boring. The market is rather friendly today, but nothing, nothing that would be in any way groundbreaking or would change the analysis or would indicate that we're in a breakout or something. No, we're simply moving sideways at the moment in a broader sideways range, which is getting narrower and narrower, and the support area is unchanged. So this is key, right? What we can do, though, we can shift the box a little bit to the right or widen it a little bit. The main reason for doing this is because the price has not yet confirmed a low, and time goes on, and we don't want it to be on the right side of the support area. So still want to convey the message that this support area is still relevant, and that hasn't changed for more than a month. So it's still located here between 76 cents and 64 cents. And we should then, basically expect further upside as long as the price holds above 64 cents. That doesn't mean the price has to go up straight away. It could very well be that the market will continue to go down a little bit to form a fifth wave down before we go up, right? It could be that this support area will be tested again. That's not a must. Actually, I'm tracking a triangle pattern at the moment. Both counts are absolutely valid. What I can't do at this stage is confirm that a lasting low has been established. So I cannot confirm that this wave 4, which I'm tracking at the moment as a potential triangle, that this already completed on the 20th of December. I mean, that was the idea. And to be honest, the price has not broken below that low yet. But based on price action and based on the overlapping structures that we've seen, it is just not very reliable. And I just can't confirm it. However, I will tell you when I would confirm it. We get further confirmation if the price breaks above the green line. And that is located around $1.17. And a break above $1.17 would therefore unlock prices in the area around $1.42 next, and then $1.72. These are the next two larger time frame, larger degree Fibonacci targets above. Now, therefore, it's between the yellow and the white scenarios at the moment, whereas in the yellow scenario, we're tracking a triangle, and these are A, B, C, D, E structures, so A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, and the C wave might even have bottomed. I'm going to zoom in a minute. Yeah, but just want to show you the bigger picture so you see everything. And then from there, we can get a fifth wave up. Again, what level does need to break to confirm that? Well, it is the green line anyway. So sooner or later, the price should break above that level if this assessment is correct, right? Either in the white or in the yellow count, we're tracking bullish structures as long as the market holds above 64 cents. Now, below that level, alternative interpretations come into play, but both white and yellow are reasonable interpretations that we're tracking. So in the white scenario, then we have an A wave down, a B wave up, and this C wave down unfolds as a diagonal. Now let's zoom into the microstructures. Basically, it means in the white count, we could get one more dip into the lower support area in a fifth wave, but that fifth wave might not have started yet. So that allows us now to identify the microstructure. So in the yellow count, the price probably formed a low in an internal C wave of the triangle. We're now moving up in the D wave, and in the D wave, we're tracking here now a corrective pattern. So would like to see a little bit more upside for that D wave over the coming sessions. Condition is that the price holds above the C wave low at 85.5 cents. And then, what would be a reasonable target for a D wave? The way to track that is we take a length of the B wave with the Fibonacci extension tool. Then we go to the low of the C wave. And then we're tracking the 61.8 extension. It's just a very common target, $1.11. I'm going to remove it from the chart, but this is a common target. It's not super reliable, but it's best we've got in a triangle. Just paying attention to $1.11 can be helpful. And then from there, a higher low would be ideal before we break out. At the same time, the white scenario, as I said, allows for one more low, and it would take a break above $1 to confirm further that actually the white count is not playing out. But even in the white count, we could extend a bit or form a triangle here. The exact microstructures, I can tell you there are just too many options. So it doesn't make sense to zoom into it any further, but you've got a resistance area and you've got an invalidation point for the yellow microstructure. So overall, ADA's chart needs to give us some clearer signals. Whatever happens, to be honest, whatever happens here between the green line and the 64-cent level is noise from a large time frame point of view. It's all that there wouldn't be any significant progress, okay? Of course, the microstructures will shift, but it takes either a break below 64 cents for something meaningful or above the $1.17 level for an upside breakout. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.